Hey guys, I'm sorry for the background. It's my computer. Yeah, by the way, I got my own computer. Check out the back of it. I designed it. It's my dad's old computer, but it still works really cool. And my brother's got their new computer. And so, you know. So yeah, okay, ready? Doing the cup song now. 5, 6. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what he say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. So yeah, that was a cup song. So now I'm gonna teach you. There's more, but I'm not doing it because I mess up a lot on that part. And I was really bad at this part anyways. So you know, there's no point of doing that. Piece of tape. Okay, so it goes. Start like 1, 2, like that. 1, 2, and then hit your cup or hit your desk. I'm gonna hit my cup. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, move, over. Okay, let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, move, over. One more time. Clap, 1, 2, 3. Clap, move, over. And then it goes clap. I'm doing it different, but you guys can look at the other ones. I think this is easier. So you go clap, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's right. Hold up. So it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, hit. So it goes 1, 2, 3, clap, move, over. Clap, 1, up, hit your thing, hit it back down, switch, clap your desk, and down. So ready? Clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, move, over. Clap, 1, take your cup, 1, back, down, up, 3, hit, 4, down, 1. Like that. So, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, move, over. Clap, 1, 2, 3, down, hit, down. So, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, move, over. Clap, 1, 2, a little faster. Like that. So, you guys are going to have to learn the words from different parts because I can't really teach you guys this. So, pictures.